Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reverse a cash send on the Capitec app. First, open the Capitec app on your phone. Log in using your remote PIN or biometrics, depending on how you normally access your account. Next, look for your transaction history. You can usually find this by tapping on your account balance and viewing recent transactions. Some versions of the app may also have a section called Pending Cash Sends. Tap on that section to see any cash send transactions that have not yet been withdrawn. Now, find the specific cash send transaction that you want to cancel. Take your time and double-check the amount and the reference number to make sure you select the correct one. Once you open the transaction details, look for the option that says Cancel or Reverse. If the money has not yet been collected, this option should be available. Tap on Cancel or Reverse. The app will ask you to confirm your action. Confirm the cancellation to complete the process. If you do not immediately see the Cancel option, go back and check under your full transaction history. Sometimes the reversal option appears there instead of under Pending Transactions. After you confirm, wait for the app to process the request. Thanks for watching.